The ASICS GT-2160 has quietly become a modern powerhouse in the brand's Sportstyle lineup, not through hype or low pricing, but through consistency and smart design updates. The new Restful Blue colorway pushes the silhouette further, with patent leather overlays, flat laces, and a rare full monochrome finish anchored by its bold blue teal midsole. Unlike the brand's typical mesh-heavy runners, this release highlights sleek styling that appeals equally to sneakerheads and casual wearers. Priced at $140, slightly higher than its usual tag, the refined aesthetic and premium details justify the increase. More than just another drop, the GT-2160 shows how accessibility and fresh variations can keep a model influential without relying on exclusivity. By blending style, versatility, and availability, it now rivals the popularity of models like the GEL-Kayano 14 and GEL-1130.